Action.
On a cold, wet day in July, campers arrived at Luriris Camp in the Eastern Cape for 2 weeks of training on film and television. With workshops on scripting, acting, camera, lights and sound, together they will create another short film. Last time they had a professional film crew alongside to help them, but this time they're on their own.
I'm so happy here, but I don't wanna lie, this place is creepy at night. But I love this place. I don't wanna go home really. I will miss these people.
The people at this camp, the crew members, the students, all of them, they all have this wonderful spirit that makes you want to do things. All the encouragement and inspiration that goes around you, you can't escape it, there's no way.
We are looking forward to what we're going to get from you. It's going to be a fantastic, fantastic movie. But more important than that, we're looking forward to you learning something.
Actually, I was here for acting, but then again I thought to myself, I know I can act, but I won't go away here knowing that I can do acting. But I will go here away skilled, knowing I can do lighting, camera, or sound. That's why I love where I am. I love my role that I'm doing.
A true omnidirectional mic can pick up sound anywhere around it, okay? But this one, not quite like that. This is the microphone that we're going to be using mostly on set, okay? The diaphragm that I was telling you about, it's behind that, okay? So this is a protection. That's why we never take a microphone and blow into it. We never go into the microphone. We never tap a microphone because you're going to damage that diaphragm, okay? It's very, very, very thin and it's very delicate. I can add sound in the studio, so I can go and do what's called Foley, and I can do sound effects, okay? And I can add those sounds, but to take sound out is very, very difficult. So that's why, particularly if it's over dialogue, that's a problem. Because if we've got sound that comes over somebody speaking and we can't hear what they're saying, that take is useless.
I wanted to do both, being an actress and be part of the crew. But then I didn't get the acting part, but then I got the crew, which I did want to do.
When you're swinging boom, you've got to be careful that your cable doesn't drop into the shot. I can't even do it now. Alright? You don't want that. And you want that cable, you probably wrap it around once or twice to make sure that you don't have movement. Alright? You don't want any loose parts because you're going to hear that. Any movement, if there's something rattling, you're going to hear it.
First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some extra cable, I'm going to fold it up and I'm going to tuck it in my pocket. So if somebody steps on the cable, they don't pull the boom pole back, they pull that out first. Or if I hook it on something while I'm walking, the first thing that pops out is the loop, instead of pulling the boom pole. If I don't have my finger on here, I can take a light out before I've even known it. If my finger's on the end and I'm walking with an actress, I may realize I've hit the wall. Okay, so you put a finger over the end and now you know what the back end of your boom pole is doing, because the whole time you're watching your microphone, or you should be watching your microphone, because you want to see what you're doing.
So if we're going to record with 2 microphones, for example, if we're using 2 lavalier mics, we can put one person on one channel and one person on the other by taking, if I'm putting them in on these 2 channels, channel 1 and 2, I'm going to change my pan. This is my pan button here. I'm going to put one all the way to the left, as you're looking, and I'm going to put one all the way to the right, so that it records this channel on the right channel and this one on the left channel. And then when I get back to the studio, I can mix them together and I can get the levels correct.
I feel great because I'll be
that will be my first experience. Yeah, shooting a film.
When we're using lighting, unless you want special effects, all you're trying to do most of the time is create the impression that this is normal sunlight, or normal moonlight, or normal street light, but we're just upping it because we need it for the camera. So your key light takes a place in this room. Where's your most powerful natural light source coming from at the moment? Without these three lights? The door. So that's why we've got that light there, because the direction of sunlight is coming from there. So you put your key light, that's your key light. We want a bit of shadow because that's more natural. The full light just doesn't allow that shadow to be too dark. But see what happens when Derek puts this light on me. Does it highlight my contours? That's what a backlight does. It helps to capture subject out. You can use it for effect. Somebody mentioned earlier, I think Clayton, if you want to make the guy look like a good guy, you can give him a sort of angel, halo type look. It's normally very subtle. Now look at him there now, and now please put the ND filter in. This is an ND9. You see how much clearer his skin has become? Take it away again. Watch his skin. Glare? No glare. And what's happened to our foreground? No change. I can put the filter up and the filter double in it. You see how it softens it? Your general ones, or most used, CTO and CTB. CTO, what color is it?
Orange.
Orange. What do you think CTB would be? Blue, that's right. Okay.
Uncle Ted is watching me cry. I can't even cry, Uncle Who's all the actors?
Over here? Yeah.
We're doing scene 4.5 million tomorrow. If you can get to memorize your lines at that time. Seeing that I got the directors, I feel very honored and blessed. Yeah, that I got to direct. You know what you must do. Close the van, turn around. Not forward. Okay, and action.
I hope Dominic is not late.
I love directing. No. And I just found out that I also love acting. Because this was my first time acting.
What is she doing here?
Okay, wait, cut. You come in stronger. You come in. Hey, girl! So then she can go. Then she can go. Hey, there, Dominic! What is she doing here? You understand? You're excited but in the key, then it's like...
I think we're gonna rock. But I'm just scared that I'll forget my lines.
Don't ever touch that. God, girl. You're gonna smile and then you're gonna like the song, but you wanna change the song. You understand what I'm saying? Okay. And don't laugh when she hits you. Because she does it.
Take a smile off your face.
1, 2, 3, action. You have to now try to get the best out of them and also out of the script. And if they're having problems, you have to listen to them so that you know how they feel at the end of the day and how you would get them to feel the part.
Hey, don't even think about it, man. Put your hands up. Rule number 5 in my books is never let a criminal. Hey, never let a criminal touch his property.
I'm quite excited, you know. Last night I was very excited, and then I was like, yo, tomorrow's the big day, man, we're going. But now that I see the weather and everything, and the way people were like at the rehearsals, people were very like, yeah, confusing, man, and some of them like even forgot the lines, or they don't know how to express the lines, which emotions go into it and stuff. And we were like, you know, spending all time on one scene and stuff like that. So that was a bit like scaring me, man, because hey, I know my stuff, I know how to be stupid. And I don't think I had many flaws though, but there were times when I could have added this or that or something, but I have no problem remembering my lines and stuff like that. It's quite easy, being stupid in fact. So I'm looking forward to it. I'm hoping it will go good, and that the weather will not have a big impact on it.
Okay. I don't even want as much as a smile. If you smile on set, I'm telling you, you're gonna do that whole scene over.
I must now get this now.
Okay.
Then I'm gonna do the creativity part of it.
Got your camera shots. Camera shots.
Now,
I must get one day.
so I think if we all work together as a team and not get in the way of each other's jobs, I think we'll run it smoothly and it will be a great success.
Come, darling.
Okay, I'm just gonna run from here.
But underneath
So you just run it underneath so it's out of shot if the camera hits the aisle.
it's a love temple. Ulas will fell in love with me now.
Yeah. Right. Where is Cindy? Get Cindy. So your first shot is going to be over the shoulder. Yeah.
But look, you don't have to change. You don't have to change your setup now. You can do the first one, the still first. Then we come back and we do the one. And you cut it in and just.
Now my question is, does that when he's approaching from that side, he's making all fun of looks for the PI. Does that mean does that change or does it stop?
No, you can still do it because it all happens with the phone call. It's not going to be easy, but we have to get through the day, and through the day means we're going to have to shoot a scene or two. And I am expecting the best from my actors, from my directorship. I do expect to direct them to get what I want, what you viewers will be seeing, and I hope that you people will enjoy what we have to offer at the end of the day.
Okay, not turn that right up. That's going to be distorting now. Alright. That's going to be absolutely distorting. It's useless. Alright. So you want it to be sitting sort of on that last green one and on the yellow one. It goes up into the red. If it just hits the red, as long as it doesn't go right up, if it just goes into the red, that's fine. But if it's sitting in the red like it is now, it's useless. Okay.
It's the first time that I will be doing it without any help of the Nab'Ubomi crew. So to me, it will be an experience, and I will make sure that I will do my job properly.
It's on manual now. That's why we've got the bars. Okay. Go out of status check. If it's on auto, we don't have those bars there. Alright. So it must be on manual. Okay.
When you're doing a rehearsal, everyone must mind the chords, because if you bump the chords then they won't get the sound right. So you must exactly. So if you can't do that, you understand?
Everybody woke up happy today, expecting that it's gonna be our first shoot today, and like I could see that they are determined, they've got passion, they love what they're doing. So if only we could go together with that determination, that passion, then we could do everything, because the strength is ours and like everything is on our side. Scene 4.1, take 1.
Freeze, man! Hey, stand back! I'm a PI, I can handle this. Hey, put your hands up, man. Rule 5 in my book says never.
They keep on forgetting their lines. They're nervous. They're allowing their nervousness to get into the way.
So I was like, where's my action?
No, it's right. She's gonna give it the time to roll.
On the right side, on the right side. Action!
Remember, I'm the only PI in town and the best you ever get. It's so lame.
Cut. My first instruction was stop. Yeah. My second instruction was that you, along with the group, you don't have to. You can say yes,
Here, and then you start to think, you face them this way because now they're facing that way.
So they need to get behind the camera there or that side there, because once I turn like this and then I will get them.
You guys are all
behind the camera. You need to go way behind.
go higher, ne?
Now look.
It's just
Where's your mark?
The edge is different, then go higher.
Go higher.
so sorry. Cut. You still not doing that thing. And you, look here, your father's expensive car is gone now. What are you gonna do? You're not gonna, I'm so busted. You're gonna think, I need someone to drive. I'm so busted. You should have stayed in the car. You're gonna scream at them. No matter if your voice is powerful or whatever, you're gonna scream at them. It's my first time being in the movie, like acting. So I'm so very nervous. And I'm trying to get my spirit up to be the character they want me to be.
Yeah. Speed!
Scene 5.1, take 3.
Action!
I'm playing a role of Makamba. Oh, I love it. It's so crispy for me because when I was first acting, I acted the role of a criminal. So it's the second one, this one of Makamba. So I'm starting to live this because when you're an actor, you have to be flexible enough to do anything.
Speed!
Insert 3, take 1.
Action!
Just drive, man. Drive, man. Drive!
Cut! You better stop your movie just for your makeup. No. You're the director, you're behind the scenes. No, even if you look ugly, no one will find out.
Everyone deserves makeup now.
I like things. You see?
Your last sentence is I promise to take care of you. Okay? So your sentence from that angle is going to be, I'm so proud of you. Remember what I told you?
I'm playing the role of Nono, a retired girl who is 17 years old, and her mind is like a 4-year-old.
I'm so proud of you. I remember what I told you. I have to be quiet. I have to be quiet. Surprise!
Cut! Thank you.
Was that all you want?
Yep.
From now on, you're going to stand, you're going to wait till she says, of course you will. Then I'm going to say cut after that. A few seconds, which means a few seconds afterwards, you're going to have to keep that position. Of course you will. 1, 2, and I will say cut. Only after I cut, you stop acting. Okay? Rolling cameras.
Roll cameras.
Roll cameras.
Roll cameras to roll.
Okay, Clayton. Thank you. Roll cameras. I look like you want to kiss her now. She's a sister, they can't kiss her.
From the side here.
I think it's wrong with that. What's up with you, possible? That's why you had makeup earlier. Okay, no, I understand. I understand.
If you wait for the camera, you end up beating the camera.
No, you make it.
It's just fight.
Speed! Action!
Yes, of course you will. Now, do you remember what you have to say? Surprise, surprise!
Cut. Just stretch outside.
What is she doing here? Wow! I'm sick.
That's worrying.
Is it okay? Yeah. The sun on the top? Yes. I like to see her. Quickly, rehearsal, shop, Boa. Back into the house. I know house.
So when you contact your life.
You stand, so she's standing alone at the back, and you look at the back, and you walk on. Then you pick up your bag, take it at the bottom, put it in. Can we have boom from in? We can have boom in from inside, right?
Same thing I was thinking.
Okay, so that's
No, but we decided that's my thing.
Now you decided. Now you decided.
Director.
So what is the shot now? Take it from here. From here. Are you happy with it? Are you happy with it?
When, Cindy? Is that fine?
Yeah, it's fine.
It's fine there. The best.
Speed! Scene 2.1, take 1.
Action!
Have you got your mark? Where's your mark?
Much better.
Much better.
Why did we get away from that camera?
Where's continuity? Are you continuity? Where's the team?
Are you on the thing? Are you on?
Are you there?
No, sir. Put on it. Big no.
The shot was okay by me, but she's my friend. Cut! Victoria, you blocking too la. But even Dominic and Tula came too far. Are we ready for the tape?
Yeah.
Sound, are we ready for the tape?
Yeah.
Let's get back in.
Guys, what's the 10 minutes so let's
Beautiful.
Beautiful!
Location.
So your last shot then.
Get in it.
Nice and Cindy, I like your hairstyle. You look like a pineapple.
Okay, let's go on. It's my arm.
No. Wardrobe.
I had to learn words like almost in a day or a few hours. I have to know my words because we only had a night to rehearse. That was my challenge.
Cut! Thank you. That's a wrap for the scene. For this location.
Was it right?
Yeah,
My steps keep on shooting loose whenever I get in the car. Wardrobe.
Cut! Thank you. I will tell you when I'm ready for you. There's a lot I put on the zebra lines now. There's a lot of zebra lines on the floor. Is it okay like that?
No, you must turn your iris down.
My iris.
Derek, must this come in here?
Okay. I learned a lot about camera. I really learned a lot about camera angles and how to put the camera to get the feeling out of the person, and I really enjoyed it, and it was tough, but it was a great challenge, and I'm glad that I actually got that position.
The last man standing. When I flow with the microphone, I will leave the lines hanging. I'm on it, son.
Okay, when you stop here, I never can see when it's here. Can you see now when it's standing? You must stop a bit further up.
What was wrong?
Keeps on it, reaching the reach.
I was in.
Yeah, they had a problem here, I don't know.
But this amateur actors.
But that's not looking happy.
You can start somebody in my lady. Don't go.
That's much of stuff.
Tell the people
walkie-talkie thing.
Sorry, Mark. Uncle Terry.
Hello, Uncle Terry. Everybody thinks when you're an actor, you get to be on camera and say whatever you want to say, but it's not like that. Someone gets to tell you what to say and how to say it and what you must do.
Sorry. People are forgetting their lines here.
Okay, thank you. Hey, are they no more forgetting their lines now?
No.
Thank you.
Yeah, where they're speaking, go to where they're speaking, but just stay here. Right. And make your movements smooth, because if it moves too fast and it is visible, they're going to see it. But,
All right.
Action.
What do you... Sorry.
Go on. Running out of battery. Guys, no man. Light is running out. Battery is running out. Time is running out.
And then we're going to have to come exactly this time. Tomorrow. Some of the hardest things were getting the best out of your actors, the actresses. Because sometimes they don't really know, or they don't really know what you expect from them. So you as a director have to bring across exactly what you want, how you want, when you want it. Come, we ready for the take now? Come here, you're gonna walk into shot. You explain to them.
Yeah.
Big thing that way. Look, yeah. And cameras rolling. Action!
All right.
Coming.
Not blowing.
Please, we value then.
Isn't the screen number done?
Insert something.
Yeah, that's broken English, wow.
The equipment was so confusing at some point when I had to connect everything, but I learned a lot.
yeah, so it'll be a 40 people. But you're going to need like tissues.
They say that there's walls with blood coming off.
The walls are bleeding.
The walls are bleeding,
Yeah, they're just making a story.
Yes. They say them walls, them bleed.
Yeah, of course.
Me is telling the you. Seriously, yes.
The house.
The me
in the night.
Here in the camp, I learn more things about film writing, acting, and to make a film successful.
That dog sounds sick.
You have to know your lines. That is the hardest thing for me because I love talking. So I was always talking here. I was not reading my lines. So that was a hard thing for me because when we were supposed to shoot, I forgot my lines.
I'm holding the cable.
What's going on now?
I'm holding the cable. And I'm the grip. The fact that we had to wrap at about 12:15 the other morning, was a great challenge. But then it's where we knew that what we came here to do, we pulled through, and I'm not gonna say everything was a challenge because I enjoyed everything.
Is this the opening of the inside?
Something that was really hard for me was to go up to that place, that abandoned house at night time, and it was really scary because that house just gave me the creeps.
Yes.
Hello! Our first scene in this abandoned house, as you can see. It's very scary.
It's
but
horrible.
The experience is good.
It's very, very horrible.
It's
horrible.
broken windows and broken floors and all that.
You are safe here. It is horrible.
You are safe. So we'll be shooting till 1 o'clock Thursday morning. Yep.
It's a PI thing.
I was a camera assistant, and at first I was scared because it was my first time, but when I did it, it was okay.
Okay.
Let's see, But never use your lifetime something.
Dominique,
Hey, you can leave us here. Are you not?
You can't even leave us alone here.
Okay, yeah, you can leave us alone here. Are you not? No.
She did it very well because she was really passionate about her work.
Quite cold out here.
Another sandbag. Then I said,
But
don't worry, sir.
it's fine. With all the light, artificial light.
Sorry, I've got it.
And jackets. 2 jackets, in fact. And a scarf. Gloves and
Okay, Cindy, camera send it away.
Sorry.
Leave it. It's very special, okay?
What I learned is that I mustn't act because I can act. I must act because I want to, because I love it and I feel strong about it. And when I act because of those reasons, then I'll be able to give a much more better and greater performance.
Okay, ready? Are you got it, I mean?
Nice.
Yeah. Action! Cut.
Lala,
Yes, Nano.
do you think Granny will be very excited to see me?
Yes, of course she will. Now, do you remember what you have to say?
Surprise, surprise!
I'm so proud of you. Now remember what I told you.
I have to be quiet, I have to be quiet. Surprise! I love Granny.
I love you. And I promise to take good care of you.
I hope Dominique is not late.
Hey, darling! Hey, Dominique! Quoi? What? What is she doing here?
She's my friend, what do you mean?
Jonga girlie, you do know that we're going on a road trip. There's no need to bring the whole library.
Come on, Juno.
Please! No messing in the car!
Sorry! Didn't do so rude.
You better keep your mouth shut. I don't know why you brought her with in the first place. This is gonna be the worst weekend of my life.
It's the least I can do. I owe it to her. What? Without your permission? Without even consulting you?
Slip, Tiger. Check the beautiful lady. This car.
Listen, Mom, can you please make my bed? I forgot again. Listen, I'll call you back, Mom. Love you. Bye. Hey, freeze, man!
Yes, just
Just take the sound system, bro.
Freeze, man! Hey, put your hands up, man! Hey, stand back. Hey, put your hands up, man. I'm a PI, I can handle this.
Let's see what we have here, huh? What have we got over here?
That's what we're trying to tell you.
I'm sorry, ladies. I thought she was. I thought it was stealing.
drive the stupid car. Drive. Just drive, man. Drive, man. Drive.
Hey, hang on. I'm a private investigator, okay? Here's my card. Give me a call sometime. And the name's Curry Robertsons. I like to spice things up.
Were you trying to kill me, darling?
Hey, ladies, and remember, I'm the only PI in town. The best you'll ever get.
I'm the only PI in town and the best you'll ever get. That is so lame. Guys, where's the car?
I'm so busted!
It's my fault.
You! Where's the car?
Calm down.
Why didn't you stay in the car?
Calm down, girl.
Turn here. We need the place to lay over for a while.
Shouldn't we call the police?
What? Are you crazy? Her parents would find out you took the car.
What? You didn't get permission?
Guys! Look at the PI! Oh, it is so cute! Oh, let's go and talk to him, guys, please. Hey, ladies. Here's the PI.
You really need to help us now.
Oh, you ladies need my help now, huh?
Stop the car! I think that's my jacket.
Hey, hang on. I have to check for fingerprints and DNA and anything else that can assist me in this investigation.
Yes, sir. What are you waiting for now?
Yeah, I'm not going in alone, bro. Come with me.
I can't believe I'm working with such an amateur like you.
For goodness sake, are you gonna hurry up with the jacket or what?
I told you I'd find something.
Besides,
Oh, here's that.
that's my hair.
No, just get in the car so we can go.
Look here. Guys, these tracks look familiar. And I think the car went this way. Yes, this way. Come, let's go, guys.
You're pretty good. I think I should hire you.
Could you stop with your stupidity and get done with the job?
Say, must follow it.
Yeah, let's do this.
Yeah, but no, but I never pose up. Yes, yes, man, yes. It's all right. Just in a pack.
Okay.
If we sort this out ourselves, my dad will never find out.
Stop it! Would y'all just stop it? I've got bigger problems to worry about here.
Please. Like what? Surprise!
I can't believe you bring your friend with and she still has a nerve to bring more baggage.
You should be ashamed of yourselves. All you think about is about your expensive little toys.
Well, my expensive little toy is what's important here. Not some stupid, retarded little girl in the back of it.
Well, that little retarded girl you're referring to happens to be my sister.
Can you surprise? Love you!
Shh, don't say a word. You must be quiet. Shh. Hey. Shh.
Granny, surprise! Granny!
She's
Happy Christmas, Granny!
You know she's a witness too. Are you talking about anyway?
Granny!
Go and kill her. Say can't man. Yeah man, can't man. Yeah man, can't man. Can't. What's that can't man?
The gunshot! Oh yes, it was.
Oh no!
I have to go and check this out.
I'm gonna be fine. Are you crazy? What about my dad's car?
Ladies, please. P.I. Kari Robson has to go and solve this case. Do you know what this means to my mom? Oh, she would be so proud of me.
I can't believe this! I don't freaking believe this!
Okay. Let's lie low till it's dark. Okay, guys. You okay? I'm gonna go check for some clues.
Are you nuts? You can't leave us alone here.
I'm sorry, Tina.
What am I gonna do? It's all my fault. It's all my fault.
Well, we'll find whoever who did this. I promise.
Costa! Hey, Costa! It's me, son, man, come here! Costa!
No! He's got a gun! Yes! What? Look at the girl!
Surprise!
No!
Yeah.
Group up, please. Oh, please. Group up. Oh, man. Oh, this sucks.
God!
Yeah.
At first, I didn't want to direct because I thought that it was quite big and I didn't know what to expect. And now they've given me this opportunity, and I must say I'm so glad that I've taken this opportunity with both hands, and I really, really appreciate it for them believing in me even when I didn't myself.
Yeah, come.
It opens my mind to a lot of different things. It makes me realize that I have a dream and I'm on the road to fulfilling it now.
That's what's up.
Samantha, don't you have a pen?
I'm really, really looking forward to get in this industry because I'm loving it right now.
To get home, you couldn't wait to go home. And now you're going home.
Crying crocodile tears.
Now, yeah, you're crying crocodile tears now.
Crocodile tears.
It made my path easier to choose. It made it clearer to see what I really want to do and what I've got a passion for. I mean, when I was on this camp, I explored different things, different parts of myself.
Yeah. Where's my dollar? Oh, hey.
If I go into this industry one day, I'm gonna blame this camp. I'm really gonna blame this camp.